If you're still writing your emails manually, you are wasting your time. My name is Pelle and I'm building self-running businesses using AI. On this channel you will watch me do it piece by piece, from simple automations to fully automated SaaS products. In this video we are building an email automation system. So we are building it in Make, a no-code platform that connects tools and automates workflow. So starting off with AI reading my email, AI classifying my email as a lead or a support request, and then finally it sends a response. All right, we're going to start off with picking the email module, and we're going to watch our email inbox for new emails. So we will just connect it to our Gmail account. We will save it. Next, we will add the OpenAI module. We will generate a completion connected to our account. We will choose the model 4.0, and then we will add the prompts. I have made pre-written prompts. So we will add here, first we will add for the system. And this is basically a job description for the OpenAI module to tell it what to do and what it is. So we will paste it right here. We will scroll down and we will add another message or another prompt. And this is for the user. And in here we will basically tell it what to do, to map it to the actual email, to pick out the subject, the text body, and to map it right. So we will paste it right here. And here we will map the subject. We will map the full text body. We will press save. Our next module will be the JSON parser. So we will write JSON, parse JSON. And in here this is basically like what transforms the text from the OpenAI module to JSON, a language that the computer can read. So what will happen? The JSON parser will create categories, and it will write a one-sentence summary for the email. So we will pick choices, message, and content. And this will be the actual output from this module right here. We will move on to the router. And this is it's like a traffic controller that splits up. If we get a email that's a lead, or if we get a support request, it will split it up in two different categories. So the OpenAI will recognize if it's a lead or if it's a support request, and it will be categorized here in the JSON parser. And then in the router, the top route will be leads, and the bottom route will be support requests for this tutorial. So we will start with adding the top route. So we will add another OpenAI. Also here, we will have the model 4.0 first. And then we will add the system prompt to tell OpenAI what to do, what it is, like your job description. And here we are telling it to be friendly, write professional emails, and be like an assistant replying to potential customers for 5-star staff in this case. We will scroll down. We will add the user input as well. And like I said in the last on the last module here, this is basically like we're mapping it to the last modules now to get the right information through. So we will put the subject and the subject up here and the full text body. And here we will map the category and the summary that this JSON parser brings through. But right now we don't have any data on it because we haven't run it yet. So we will make a test email to collect some data here. All right, I have now sent a test email, and we will run this to see how it goes. Press run once, and it's working just fine. So here we can see, we press here and we can see the output. So this OpenAI module, it categorizes it as a lead, sends the summary, and it sends it as one long string. So that's why we add this to break it down into two different separate lines. and the output from here, category, lead, and summary. So this clarifies it for the data program. And we will move in back here and we will map it right. So here you can see now the JSON parser has successfully been brought in to the data. So we will map the summary and the category right there. Save. We will follow up with adding the last Gmail module. And this time we will send an email. So it's connected to my account. I will send it to, I will scroll down to the original email. And this email was from, this is my other email. So it was from this email. So we'll map it. So whoever writes a different email will be here, and it will send it back to the sender, to the client. So we map it right. And the subject will be here, and the body. So now we're going to map the actual what OpenAI has wrote, the final message. We will map it in here. So we will go down here, choices, message, and content. And here we can see, hi Pelle, thanks for reaching out. I would be happy to help you. Content. Save. And now this will be done. We will go down here to set up the support route. We will add the OpenAI here as well. We will enter the 4.0. We will add the prompts, starting with the system prompt, the job description. So now I have added the job description, and I will scroll down and I will enter the user prompt as well. And like I said earlier, right here in the user prompt, we are mapping to get the right information going through. So subject, full text body, and we bring in the summary from the JSON parser and the right category. We press save. And now I thought we were about to test something else. We're going to test, instead of sending an email, we're going to create a draft. And by creating a draft, it will do basically the same thing, write an email, but it will not send it. It will leave it as a draft. So this gives us some a bit more control. A human will go in, and I will approve the message or the email, and I will press send. So I can go in, just read so everything looks good, and I will press send. This will also be map it like this in the same way, subject and the body. So choices, message, content, save. Let's save this. And before we run this, now it's done, because before we run this, we will set up some filters. So leads doesn't go like this way and support requests come this way. So we're going to set up a filter. So condition, category, equal to lead. Press save. Down here, set up a filter. Category equal to support. Save this one. And yeah, now we will test it. So I have prepared two emails, one that looks like a lead and one that looks like a support request. So let's see. Let's cross our thumbs and hope that it works. All right, so here I can see I have received two emails. So one that looks like a lead and one that looks like a support request. So let's go back and let's try this out. So we're going to run the sequence, and the lead goes here and the support request goes here. So it worked perfectly. All right, I'm back in my email, and looking at it, the workflow worked perfectly. So this is the response that the workflow provided. Hi Pelle, thank you for reaching out. I would be happy to help you with your project. 5-star staff is a training. It describes what it is. We offer a free starter, a paid plan starting at, this should be dollars. So that I just changed in my prompt, adjust it to make it perfect. So if something isn't right, if there's an error, just readjust your prompt and make it well. If you'd like to try it out, and here it provides a next step as well. So perfect. This is very good. We will move on into the draft and check the drafted email, the support request. So this is the draft, the answer on the support request. Hi Pelle, thanks for reaching out, and I'm sorry to hear that you're having trouble logging in. I know how frustrating that can be. Since our platform doesn't use personal logins or passwords, staff usually access their daily tests via a unique link like this or a QR code. If the page isn't loading, here it provides some next steps. If you're still stuck or can't locate your business unique test link, I'm happy to take a closer look. Just reply with your business ID and let me know which member are having trouble. I will make sure to get it sorted. This is good. And if it's something that is off, just adjust your prompt and it will adjust the email. So just like you can go in and tweak it a bit. If you aren't happy, just go in, adjust it a bit and test again. So if you want this automation set up in your business, just book a call via the link below and I will set it up for you. Thank you.